Criticizing the companions, objecting to their views, insulting them, is in fact criticizing the Prophet himself. This is the word of Hazrat Cübbeli. He does not declare it here. He declares the owner of this saying in another letter. What does Hazrat Cübbeli Sheikh Sakalin, the great saint, the Sheikh of the Jinn, say? He cannot have believed in the messenger of Allah. Who? He did not worship, did not obey, did not show respect. To whom? He says that whoever does not honor and respect his companions, his friends, his companions in the assembly, his companions in conversation, cannot be a believer in Rasulullah. So to say that one cannot be a believer in Rasulullah means that one becomes an infidel. Because what does it mean to think that the companions were wrong, corrupt, mischievous, dirty-minded, evil-minded? Whose friends were they? Whose conversation companions were they? Whose assembly companions were they? With whom were they together in battles? They were together in prayer. They were together in pilgrimage. They were together everywhere. They were with Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What does the poet say? Question your own situation and the situation of your counterpart. Observe your friend, for every friend necessarily keeps up with the person he is near. While this is a general rule, what are those who think about people who've been in the company of Rasulullah, that they have bad intentions, they have wrong ideas, there is something wrong with their beliefs, there is something wrong with their actions? The Prophet who was with them could not correct them. They are saying that if they are corrupt, he's also corrupt. This is an inevitable claim. We seek refuge in Allah from such bad beliefs and ideas, says Imam al-Rabbani. May Allah Almighty protect us from such bad beliefs and ideas.